Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a super powerful tool that every creator, editor, and online seller should know about. It's called sremove.ai, and honestly, this thing removes image backgrounds so fast it feels like magic. Totally free and super clean. No Photoshop, no complicated editing, just upload your picture and boom! The background is gone in seconds, perfectly clean. I'm going to walk you through how it works, test it with a few images, and show you why this website is becoming a favorite for YouTubers, designers, and e-commerce users. Alright, let's jump straight into the demo. On the top of the website, you'll see three main options: background removal, AI remover, and edit tools. These are the primary tools you'll be using in this website. Now, when you click on background removal, image background remover, image background changer, and PNG maker. These tools let you remove backgrounds, change backgrounds, and even create transparent PNG images instantly. Under the AI remover menu, you also get some useful tools like magic eraser, text remover, and object remover. These tools help you clean up your images by removing unwanted things quickly and easily. Now I'll upload an image to test it. As soon as I upload, the tool starts processing automatically. On the left, you can see the original image, and on the right, it shows the background removed result. It literally takes just a few seconds. If you want to change the background, you can click on Change Background. And here, you get simple color backgrounds or even photo backgrounds. Just select the one you like and click Done. Once you're happy with the result, simply click the Download button to save your image. Next, I'm using the Magic Eraser tool. With this tool, you can remove any unwanted object or person from your photo. Just upload your image and then paint over the area you want to remove using the brush. Once you highlight it, simply click Remove Object. In a few seconds, the tool clears that part of the image and makes your photo look clean and professional. It's super simple and works really well. Next, I'm checking out the AI Watermark Remover tool. This feature is super powerful. It can remove watermarks, logos, text, or any unwanted marks from your images in just a few seconds. The AI works really cleanly. It blends the area perfectly, so it doesn't even look like anything was ever there. It's fast, easy, and gives you a professional, clean image without any editing skills. Now I am using the Remove Text from Image tool. This feature is perfect when you want to erase any text, captions, or watermarks from a picture. Just upload your image and choose Auto Mode if you want the text removed instantly, or use Manual Erase if you want to highlight the exact area yourself. The AI cleans the text so neatly that the image looks completely natural afterward. Now, let's move to the AI Image Editor. This tool lets you edit and transform any photo just by typing a text prompt. First, upload your image. Then in the prompt box, simply describe what you want to change. For example, you can also choose the AI model you want to use and select the aspect ratio for your final image. Once everything is set, just click Generate Images. In a few seconds, the tool creates a brand new version of your photo exactly the way you described. It's super easy and really fun to use. And that's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial helped you explore all the powerful tools inside sremove.ai, from background removal to watermark erasing and AI image editing. Everything is super simple and easy to use. The amazing thing is that this entire tool is 100% free, and you don't even need to sign up to use it. I've added the link right there in the description. Go check it out and try it yourself. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.